Staying active and maintaining a healthy lifestyle are essential for our physical and mental well-being. While going to the gym or attending fitness classes may not be feasible for everyone, there are many effective full-body workouts that can be done from the comfort of your own home. In this video, we will outline only 20-minute full-body workout without any equipment that can help you stay fit and healthy, and you don't have access to a gym. These workouts require no equipment and can be done in a small space, making them perfect for anyone looking for a convenient and efficient way to stay in shape. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced fitness enthusiast, these workouts can be modified to suit your fitness level and goals. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For more daily tips like this, turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. Now let's get started. 1. Warm up. 2 to 3 minutes of jogging in place or jumping jacks to get your heart rate up. 2. Squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower your hips down and back as if you are sitting in a chair. Keep your weight in your heels and your knees over your toes. Rise back up to the starting position and repeat for 12 repetitions. 3. Push-ups. Start in a plank position with your hands under your shoulders and your body in a straight line. Lower your body towards the ground by bending your elbows. Keep your body in a straight line and avoid arching your back or dropping your hips. Push back up to the starting position and repeat for 12 repetitions. 4. Lunges. Stand with your feet hip width apart. Step forward with one foot and lower your body down until both knees are at a 90-degree angle. Push back up to the starting position and repeat for 12 repetitions on one leg before switching to the other leg. 5. Plank. Start in a push-up position with your arms straight and your hands under your shoulders. Lower your body down onto your forearms. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position for 30 seconds without allowing your hips to sag or lift. 6. Mountain climbers. Start in a plank position with your hands under your shoulders and your body in a straight line. Bring your right knee towards your chest, and then quickly switch to bring your left knee towards your chest. Continue alternating legs as quickly as you can for 12 repetitions per leg. 7. Glute bridge. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Lift your hips up towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Lower your hips back down to the ground and repeat for 12 repetitions. 8. Cool down. 2 to 3 minutes of walking or gentle stretching to bring your heart rate down. Let's have a look at a glance again. Remember to drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workout, and to listen to your body if you need to take a break or modify any exercises. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.